Hey, what's up everybody? It's Chris Jackson, your internet sales guy here at Bumpus Harley-Davidson of Jackson, Tennessee. Today I have this 2013 TriGlide in vivid black. This is a really nice trike. It's got some upgrades and accessories on it, quite a few pieces of trim, that sort of thing. So you got some highway pegs here, you got the upgraded floorboards, a cool sticker on the passenger floorboards, the brake lever and clutch lever leather covers with tassels, lots of trim pieces around the gauges here, windshield bag, a different windshield. It has 22,000 miles on it, I believe. Got the axle nut covers there. Front tires in great shape. Got the Harley Daymaker LEDs. Paint is in really good shape on this. I don't see any major scratches or dings anywhere. Upgraded shift levers and pegs. Got the leather covers on the fenders. Yeah, the thing is in really good shape, really clean. Still got stock exhaust. This does have reverse on it. Got the parking brake there. Yeah, really nice trike. 22,900 miles. Starts up and curves like a sewing machine. Alright. Do you think this could be yours? Inquire about it here on the website or give me a call at 731-422-5508. Better yet, come see this thing in person. Check out the rest of our great inventory while you're here. Alright, y'all come see us.